Imagine owning a compact SUV that gives you excellent fuel economy, smooth performance, modern comfort, and one of the best warranties in the market, all in one affordable package. Sounds too good to be true? Meet the 2026 Hyundai Kona, and trust me, this one deserves your attention. If you're searching for a compact SUV that's practical for daily driving, efficient on fuel, and comfortable enough for long trips, you're in the right place. The 2026 Hyundai Kona is designed for drivers who want versatility without moving into a bulky SUV. It offers seating for 5 passengers, a clean, modern design, and front-wheel drive that focuses on efficiency and smooth city handling. Built in South Korea, the Kona reflects Hyundai's strong reputation for quality engineering and long-term reliability. Fuel efficiency is where the Kona truly shines. With an EPA-rated 31 mpg combined, it delivers 29 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway, making it an excellent option for commuters and frequent travelers. Monthly fuel cost is estimated at just $112, which helps keep ownership costs low. Thanks to its 12.4-gallon fuel tank, you can expect up to 421 miles of highway range, reducing the need for frequent refueling and making road trips more enjoyable. Powering the 2026 Kona is a 2-liter inline-4 gasoline engine producing 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission designed to keep the ride smooth and efficient. While it's not built for racing, it delivers confident acceleration for city traffic, easy highway merging, and relaxed cruising, perfect for everyday driving needs. The Kona uses a front-wheel drive system which helps maximize fuel efficiency and keeps maintenance costs low. It also comes with standard descent control, offering added confidence when driving downhill on wet or uneven roads. With independent front suspension and stabilizer bars, the Kona provides a comfortable and stable ride, absorbing bumps well while maintaining solid handling around corners. Despite its compact size, the Kona is smartly designed for real-world use. You get 25.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, which expands to an impressive 63.7 cubic feet when those seats are folded down. Its 6.7 inches of ground clearance allows it to handle rough city roads and light off-road conditions, while its 34.8-foot turning circle makes parking and U-turns effortless. Inside the cabin, the Kona focuses on comfort and usability. The front seats are bucket-style with durable cloth upholstery, and the driver gets a 6-way manual adjustable seat with height adjustment. With generous headroom, legroom, shoulder, and hip space, the Kona feels comfortable even during long drives, making it a great choice for daily commuting or weekend getaways. Hyundai continues to lead the industry when it comes to warranty coverage. The 2026 Kona includes a 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty, giving owners extra confidence and peace of mind. This strong warranty, combined with low fuel costs and proven reliability, makes the Kona a smart long-term investment. If you're looking for a compact SUV that offers excellent fuel economy, smooth performance, comfortable interior space, and outstanding warranty coverage, the 2026 Hyundai Kona is absolutely worth considering. It's an ideal choice for city drivers, young families, and anyone who wants a dependable SUV without paying premium prices. So, would you choose the 2026 Hyundai Kona as your next SUV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more detailed car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.